Hey guys, my name is Desek, and tonight I'm going to be reviewing Halcyon's Volume 1.
Zombie Apocalypse.
Which is Oolacile's new record label, which consists of making new genres such as future rhythm, melodic rhythm, or color bass, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, this new volume came out like almost a couple of months ago, and yeah, I know that I'm behind on stuff, but due to work and the studies and stuff like that, well, I'm finally getting to it. You're gonna see me doing more reviews. So yeah, anyways, this new volume is consisted of 8 tracks by the artists like SVDDEN DEATH, VOL.1, Oolacile, of course, Leotrix, Phonon, and so on. So yeah, let's just get into this. This is the first track, SVDDEN DEATH, Utah. Okay, sounds like something like from like a video game. Yeah, just give me that vibe from video game. Like, I don't know, I can't tell which video game, but that's a nice vocal. He also said, SVDDEN DEATH also said that he was using his own vocals in this.
How can you tell me anything the world is waiting to? Blood like glass and blood spills from both me and from you. And you drive me to hell.
Really different style.
Me to hell.
Really good. So far it's good, but there's like pieces of it like feel like they're over compressed and there's not enough room for it to be. But sound design wise, it's really great, and yeah, it's just so refreshing to see him doing this style. I do like the part, I like the vocal, and also it's giving me like a Boom Boys of Cold vibes.
Blood like glass and blood spills from both me and from you. And you drive me to hell.
Oh, the snare. First, I feel like the snare could be a little bit better.
Drive me to hell.
Yeah, that snare. I mean, it feels like it's short.
We're better now, it's over, but I'm sorry I hurt.
Okay, so that was the first track. Now, moving on, we have the second track, which is by VOL.1, a song called Instance. And if I'm correct, a lot of people have been waiting for this song. That VOL.1's been like messing around with people, saying that she was never gonna release it, but here we have it. So let's hear what she's made. Classic, melody. Always has a nice intro. One of the things that people should appreciate the most about her industry is always solid intros. And I freaking love it every single time she goes, you know, full digital, like digital and YouTube. I just love it. That build up makes you feel like it's gonna be like hard style. Amazing sound design, always. Fuck. I mean I like this drop way better. Not to say that the first one wasn't bad, it's just like this one just gonna be like, holy shit. Really, it feels like you're literally like in a cyberspace or something. Fuck. This track is really freaking amazing. What can I say? Like Ultra is like going just through. Like I can't even talk, man. It's pretty great. It's pretty freaking amazing. So yeah. Oh man, Ultra really killed that track, and it's finally out. A lot of people have been waiting for that, and there you have it. But yeah, I honestly can't find anything bad to say about the track, because you know it's just the intro is obviously so beautifully structured, and the build up, it just gives you like a vibe, like not just of hard style, but also like you're in a video game, or you know, like in Tron, for example, or something. And yeah, it's pretty amazing. So yeah, now moving on, we're going to listen to the third track, which is by Oolacile, and it's called Dreams Data. This is supposed to give me like hardstyle vibes. That's a nice top bass. Really big top. Hello. Really nice structure. Sound design, perfect. Just like the melody in the drop, it doesn't sound so really good and has some variation. I like this part, like really. I wouldn't have mind at all if this would have been the drop. Wow, that part like took me by surprise. Like that was, I honestly like that way more than the first drop. Not to say that the first drop was bad, but this one like. Half of the song is like way more better. Wow, I fuck with it. Damn, that track, wow. I really liked it. I really did. That was freaking amazing. Like I really enjoyed that, listening to that, and just like that's why I'm so excited for this new generation of dubstep, because it's fresh. It's not sticking to like the old rules of like growls and screeches. And I'm not saying that growls or screeches are bad, obviously, but I mean, I've been listening to dubstep for 10 years. But yeah, anyways, I'm just excited to see this new genre grow more. And yeah, Oolacile really kills this track. He really killed it. Now moving on to the fourth song, which is by Leotrix, called Emo Boy 303. 303, sorry. Also, fun fact, I went on Twitter and I saw like an article, Oral Robinson said that this is one of his favorite tracks to listen to. Next move. Something Paul Robinson will make. I don't know. The reason why I say like it gives me like fairy vibes is because it's just so light and like heavenly, and also like the vocal is pretty good as well. That was a pretty great track. Really catchy. Okay, now moving on to the fifth song, which is a collab between Akios and I7 called Angel Portal. I really like in that kick. I honestly believe that melody is catchy, and you know, like it fits the name of Future Rhythm. I would definitely play this in a set like that. That part, like, it just gives you like that old school. Like for me personally, it gives me like an old school rhythm vibe, even though it's future rhythm. And yeah, I don't know how to explain that, but yeah, it's really good, really catchy tune that part. And yeah, damn, we need to remember on this one. This is pretty good. Man, here, this is why I'm enjoying him, because I'm really looking forward more of this genre. See, and a lot of people would disagree with me and say that this genre is really not that good and not that heavy, and they just want to stick to, you know, like the old school dubstep or bro step, and that's okay. But this is I like this. I really fuck with this part. Like that sub bass, man. Man, honestly, that song was pretty freaking great. Damn, and that mix section part and the drop is just so. Yeah. Okay, now moving on to the sixth song of the compilation, which is by Phonon, also known for his really amazing track Polyrhythm. Yeah, this is called Conic Sections. this part right here, like the ending, like it also gives me like polyrhythm vibes. Yeah, like those different notes, like they might sound, you know, different, but you can like hear like a bit of it is inspired by polyrhythm. So yeah, now moving on to the 7th song in the compilation, which is by Crippling, and a song called Colors. It's almost giving me like that vibe from like Blipware.
Colors.
Ooh. Yeah. That's there. This is pretty great. Sound design again. This gives me like way more like it could be like a remix, you know, like Bitware or something. But that's pretty good. Yeah, that part right there, like in the breakdown, like that gives me vibes of like Bitware, like a lot. Always feel like bit and pieces of it from, and you know, put it on here. You know, just give it like fill the space or something. I don't know. The sound bass is pretty great, and the sound stream.
Colors.
Pretty great, pretty great. I mean, yeah, I feel it's like I said before, it's like remnants of, you know, his collab with Octane in Disciples of Reinforcements. You know, again, Blipware, that's the name of the track, which it just gives me like it's like a reference to that track, because you can like hear like the sound design is almost like the same as Blipware, and it's also the drums as well, like especially in the breakdown of the first drop. It gave me that vibe of like I was hearing Blipware. But other than that, yeah, I would say it's pretty great. And yeah, now we're going to listen to the final track of the compilation, which is by Basic and his song called Disgust. Disgust. Or Disgust. Oh, damn. I apologize. I'm butchering the name. Sam, that's a nice arpeggio. There's some prop. You know. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, this part is way more better. Not to say like again like the third drop is bad because the difference of sound design wise is pretty great. But this part when it went way more heavy, like honestly I was super surprised. And I was just like pop into it. It was really freaking heavy and bouncy. I don't know why, but in the breakdown, it's almost giving me a little bit of vibes of Sudden Death Utah. Fuck, going to the bass house. This one, wow. This part I really like it. Damn, okay. No, that really got me. Really great, kick the track, and way more variations. And that's it. That, ladies and gentlemen, that is the compilation. Yeah, and I will have to say it's pretty great. I'm really excited to listen to more of these tracks, which there has been other releases, by Oolacile, Ominous, and Basic, which I'm going to get to. Apologize again that I'm so late on making these reviews, but yeah. I really hope you enjoyed this review, and yeah, please let me know in the comments if there's a song that you liked, or there was a song that you think could have been a little bit better, and yeah, just let me know. And yeah, also if I had to say which songs I really liked the most, would have to be Voltra's Instance, Oolacile's Dream, Leotrix, Emo Boy 303, Akios and I7's In Your Portal, and Basic Disgust. Like those fives are the ones that I really enjoyed, and the other ones are pretty great as well, but those fives are the one that stood out for me the most. So yeah, again, thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, click on the notification bell to keep you guys updated on my next videos. And yeah, this is Death signing off.